Right, we're going to take this, the old chain drive off. Okay, I've undone the bolts, held the tensioner back using a Allen key in the hole down here. This is your slipper tensioner.
Got it?
Yeah.
Spacer.
Bearing spacer.
It goes.
Yeah. Do you want to put that?
It goes with that one.
Yeah. You can see here, this is your cam plate in all its glory, if you call it that. And this here is your slipper tensioner, which in all honesty, that's not that bad, is it? That's got a bit of wear, but nothing major. But that, as you can see, is not good. You can see that's starting to break up. And what happens once that breaks up, the oil pump stupidly is positioned here. All that crap will go straight into your oil pump, score it up. And that's the end of your motor. Big end's gone and you are basically screwed. So if you want to, you can fit an S&S version of this. This is a Screaming Eagle motor, an old one. The new ones would have a billet pump, I believe. These are all cast, and what happens is the ball bearings which here control the oil passage pressures, and what happens is the aluminium, being cheap, die-cast rubbish, allows the ball bearings to move, which means your oil pressure drops massively as you use the thing. So if you put a billet fueling or S&S Ultima, whatever it is on there, you shouldn't have that problem at all. The oil pressure will always be good. But good upgrade is gear drive, which we're going to see using this clock on the crank if we can do that, but it's not guaranteed.